After Walay laing kundi si Bong Deriada. Palakpakan po nato si Bong Deriada. O karon mga igala, let's watch another video. This time, messages coming from the staff ni Tatay Digong. Let's watch this.
A lot of people might not agree or even believe on what I'm going to say. Pero yung humility ng tao nandoon sa kanya. Sa lahat ng encounter na nakikita ko, sa maliliit na bagay na nakikita ko. For example, when we come in for a meeting and food is prepared, yung tao ang nauuna. He would always say, "Kaunta." He would invite people to come and partake. Ang maalala ko at sa pananaw ko na talagang tumagal siya dahil sa pagserbisyo sa tao. That really gives him the heart, the motivation, the challenge to continue serving and to continue living. Ibig sabihin po nito na hindi ka lang mabuhay ng matagal o hindi mabuhay ng matapat at mabuhay na may kabuluhan sa buhay mo. There's no other way that people would remember him. No? His simple life is shown, in fact, in his public life. No? Kumakain sa karinderya, and he doesn't have fancy home, yung mga ganun, even fancy cars. So, all these things reflect his character. And I would like to believe that he would like to be remembered that way. May Rudy, you will be celebrating your 80th birthday. Some people, as they look at you, you are physically slow. But I would like to say that you still have a very, very sharp mind. I would even recall that you would lecture us, or even to me, matters of law, particularly constitutional law. So I would like to believe, and with God's grace of good health, and wisdom, that the good Lord will continue to shower on you continuously the blessings that has given you all through these years. I hope and I pray that you would continue to live many more years so that you'll be able to enjoy life. And as you have enjoyed life serving others, please continue to do so. Happy birthday, Mayor Rudy.
Daghan kaayong salamat o karon Ling aniana ang ato ang isa pa ka ABB para sa mga rallies worldwide mauning pagmahal sa ato ang mga OFW para kay Tatay Digong karon ato nang ipakita
kani nakita man nila ang uban sa Facebook pero lahi gyud nato ipakita karon. Handam na ba mo? Okay, let's watch this.
President of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte, has been arrested at
Rodrigo Duterte ngayong Martes na umaga dahil sa mga krimen dapat
under a warrant issued by
of crime.
Filipinos across the world, from every city, every nation, every home. Today, March 28, 2025, millions of Filipinos OFWs working tirelessly in foreign, families thriving here at home, and supporters from every city across the globe stand as one to celebrate the 80th birthday of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. But this is more than a celebration. This is a battle cry. A call to action. A fight for justice. For decades, PRRD stood as a protector of our sovereignty, a defender of justice, and a leader who challenged corruption. Yet today, he faces political persecution while our beloved nation struggles under weak and incompetent government. The Marcos administration has not only failed to defend him, but has conspired with foreign powers, leading to the unjust arrest and forced extradition of PRRD to the International Criminal Court in The Hague. This is a betrayal of our independence and our justice system. We call on all Filipinos to stand together to resist this political persecution and to demand his immediate return. Raise your voices. Be part of the movement that defends our nation, demands accountability, and stands for the leader who never abandoned us. President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Bring PRRD home. Dabawenyo, Pilipino ang magpupulong.
Grabe! Natin gamay ang mga Dabawenyo kay disiplinado. So please, clean as you go. Okay? Meaning, bibita ang inyong basura.
Ayaw lang abila ang bakal, dinira kita ang rinis. Ha? Oo. Pero kanya itong pasalamatan ng Southern Spring, Dino Communication,
Pepsi, Sunny Point,
thank you so much, Marina Tuna.
Mineral water.
Yes!
Salamat sa ato ang Public Safety and Security Office. Salamat, Sir
Colonel Angel Subaysay.
Thank you so much!
Siyempre, salamat sa tagang grabe ng PBI kayo nakakanina.
Sobra! O grabe mo naman.
Nakapansin ko sa drone ay...
Ako po, first time kong idurante kayo ka sa drone.
Nag-uulan ko pag himuong drone ako nung dagang kinahanglan. Makaluha-luha chukta sa grabe. Ikaw, ano mo?
Siyempre, mas makaluha-luha yung labi ng mga tao, mga higala nga naadili karon nga nagprenasyo naghatag og